This hairstyle has been trending since last year, but I couldn't jump into the trend because of my hair type. But then I decided to try it in my own way. Yes, I am definitely doing it. So let's get into it. Hey babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today is another hair video. Okay, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly do that. So guys, this hairstyle has been trending. Like I said, I couldn't jump into the trend because of my hair type, but then I decided to do it in my own way. Okay, so just watch and see what we are going to achieve. So first, I am going to be braiding my hair just like knotless braid, nothing much. But guys, this hair is going to take a lot of time, okay? But then don't be discouraged. Do not be discouraged because this hair took me almost 4 hours plus. Stop playing, stop playing, stop playing. So this is what they call boho braid, a big goddess braid. I don't know. Boho braid, goddess braid, fulani braid, they are all the same thing. Okay. So babes, to make this hair, all you have to do is to plait your hair just the same way you plait your knotless braid, and you are going to be leaving some hair out. Okay, the hair that you left out, you are going to coil it with coily cream or coily gel. That is if you are a coily girl, if you have a coily hair. But because I don't have a coily hair, I am going to be using extension, that colored mixed extension you guys saw me showing off from the beginning. That is what I am going to be using. Yeah, don't judge me, okay? Because I just want to do something different. I want to look different. That is why I am using colored extension. Okay, 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 baby girl. So what I did, I plaited my hair for about or did I say three? Guys, don't mind me. I plaited my hair for about 6 or 7 steps before I added the extension. I added about two extension because I wanted the volume to be a bit, high. But guys, remember the curly hair I used is human hair, be human hair, whatever thing. But it's human hair, is not synthetic, so that is why the volume was not really much. Anyway, watch the end and see how I finally achieved. Is it my goal? Or okay, how I finally achieved it. Guys, Oyibo is not my language, okay? At this point, I was already feeling myself, like I was already trusting the process. Guys, I believe we are doing the same thing. Okay, trust the process. And also, guys, I want to say something. If you cannot do the same way I am doing, like my method, I don't know, if you are not able to do this my method, there's other method you can do. Like you can plait your hair to the end and then crochet your extension depending on the extension that you are using. If your extension is long, you can crochet it, but if it is not long, you are going to do it the same way I am doing my or I did mine. Okay, so choose wisely, choose wisely.
Serotonin, oxytocin, chemicals from all your loving. More to life than being productive. Let's take a break for a little seduction. I wanna feel your love again. Your touch is making me transcend. It feels like you've been heaven sent. You've been heaven sent. You know exactly how to work with my body. You deserve it. You know exactly what my worth is. I love the way you worship. Can tell that you're so faithful with what you're bringing to the table. You know exactly what my worth is. I love the way you worship me. Eyes are wide, excited and nervous. Brains releasing these endorphins. Never thought that you'd be touch is making me transcend. A cosmic shift is happening when we're lying skin to skin. You know exactly how to work with my body. You deserve it. You know exactly what my worth is. I love the way you worship. Can tell that you're so faithful with what you're bringing to the table. You know exactly what my worth is. I love the way you worship me.
So guys, I am done and I feel so good because the hair is actually giving. Okay, so I trimmed off the excess part and I applied some water and leave-in conditioner to bring out the coils and to also keep my hair moisturized. Guys, the reason why I like this extension method is because you don't have to reapply gel or any coily cream whenever you want to go out. No, 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 especially when you use human hair or human hair. What is it? Human hair. Well, guys, especially when you use human hair, okay, you don't have to stress yourself by applying anything before going out. You just have to style your hair the way you want, and of course, you are good to go. Guys, I love this hairstyle because my hair is into a protective style, and at the same time, I am rocking coily hair. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and what do you think about this hairstyle? Will you be trying it out? Please do let me know, and I am going to see you guys in my next one. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Yes, I'll see you guys. Bye.
Oxytocin, chemicals from all your loving. More to life than being productive. Let's take a break for a little seduction. I wanna feel your love again. Your touch is making